Here you have old boats, the boats to the river, Tagus. It's very easy and very beautiful. We can make some tours with these boats around river Tagus, so it's very beautiful but special for groups. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a nice day if you come to Lisbon. And if you need any help, please don't forget to call me. We have more my contacts in the Facebook or Instagram or any place. So it's very easy. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Summer and winter, it's always good weather in Lisbon.